On a rainy day. Working on the Goped. We did new fuel lines, fuel filter. Got this little thing running. Doing this tire. Of course, we got the All-Star. We got the Mickey in the house. Doing a tube. If he doesn't want to waste his time today, because he loves to sit down and do nothing. Let's see if he knows what he's doing. So we got our head done. We got the valves, valve springs, retainers in, ready to go. So we can put it on our head. We got a little Mickey Mouse over here. Put it on the carburetor on this one. It's RZ F125. It needs carburetor and fill lines. We already did this one, which you guys already saw. And then we were doing that big one over there, the 250. We just did a new carb and rejetted it.
Hi haters.
And we got this dirt bike to do right now. We got this one done. And we just did this go-kart as well. Got this one back up and running for the customer. Fuel lines, battery, stuff like that. So busy day overall. 250. Goped we did. I gotta bring this. Got other little projects. There's a wiring disaster in this one. Oh look, little Mickey's still not done.